Hello, class. I realized that you have not uploaded a picture before. I thought you had. A lot of you, I've talked through this or you have seen me do it through a lesson. I'm going to go ahead and just put it up here one more time to help with those that have not seen me or those that are going to do it later today when I'm not looking at my email quite as often. What you're going to do is you're going to come to the assignment. It looks like this. I can click here. I see the worksheet. I can zoom in. I can only view it because I'm not letting you write on it. I'm not letting you type on it. I can do it from here. I can start writing on my separate sheet of paper and I can do problem number 1. I can go ahead, I can look at it and I can do problem number 9. If I would like, I can print it. If I go over to File and Print, I don't have to. It's just an option. Okay? Once I've done my work for my 6 problems and number 9, I'm going to go over here. Now it says that I have to do number 9 and I have to take a picture of it. Okay? So you can use the camera on your computer or you can use a phone. It just depends on what is available to you. Okay? If you're having difficulty with your specific device, please let me know. Okay? You are going to come over here and go to Add or Create. Right? Now you can pick a doc and you're going to get a blank Google document right here. And I can paste in a picture. I can hit Control V. I don't have any. I have a Google Meet on mine, but I can paste in my picture. Or I can insert a picture, an image from my computer, okay, from my drive, from the camera. That's a possibility. I can also go to Add or Create and I can just upload the file. I can go here. This gets me my computer. I can pick whatever file I need. Okay? When I say a certain problem like number 9, I really only care about seeing the work for number 9. If you want to include other things, that's fine, but you need to make sure that I can read and understand what you're showing me for that specific problem that I've asked for. I'm happy to see all of your work, but I need to be able to definitely read the problem that I have asked for. Okay? Once you've downloaded all the pictures that you need, you'll just hit turn in. Okay? Then it will come to me. I can see it. I can make comments. I can grade. Okay? That is all you have to do for showing me your work. Okay? Please email me though if you are still having problems.